Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Saicharan and you're watching ENK Learning Hub. Today we will be discussing two problems which are very easy, okay? So show the total number of admissions. So they have given us an admission table. So we need to get all the total number of admissions. So simple, select from admission table. So count of star. Total admissions. Yeah, correct answer. So let's move on to the next question. To all the columns for admission table where the patient was admitted and discharged on the same date. So simple. This is also very simple. So as usual, let's start with select from admission. So they are asking to extract every column, right? So star. So they have given us a condition. So that is the reason I am using where condition. So where what they're saying, they're saying that both admission date and discharge date should be same. So exactly we will be doing discharge date is equals to admission date. So let's check it. Yeah, we got the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.